Okay, good day. So this will be example number 1 on the application of ellipse. It says a bridge is supported on an elliptical arch of height 7 meters and width at the base 40 meters. A horizontal roadway is 2 meters above the center of the arch. How far is it above the arch? 8 meters from the center. So to better understand on how we're going to solve this problem, let us first illustrate the situation. Okay? So meron tayo ditong elliptical arch. Okay? Ang height niya 7 meters. So we have elliptical arch. Okay. Parang hindi ellipse. Parang parabolic. So we have here. Yeah. Okay. So ito. So elliptical arch, ang height niya ay 7 meters. Ito, nakamataas niya. Pagkatapos, ang kanyang lapad ay 40 meters sa base. Tapos, ay sabi doon, 2 meters above the center of the arch, naroon ang roadway. So, may roadway dito. Ito yung bridge. Ito yung roadway. So, ito 2 meters to. So, 2 meters. Yan. Okay. So, sabihin natin nandito yung ating axis. Nandito yung ating y-axis. At nandito na rin yung ating x-axis. Para mas maging madali yung pag-solve natin doon sa problem. So, ito yung elliptical arch natin. Ito yung bridge natin. Narin yung roadway. Ito yung roadway natin. So, sabihin natin na dito yung center of our ellipse. At sabihin natin yun yung origin. Center at the origin. Ang half of the ellipse, the base is 20 meters. Yeah. Okay. Ang tinatanong sa atin, gaano daw kataas yung arch 8 meters from the center. How far is it? Sorry. Ang tinatanong yung it dito, yung roadway. Okay? Yung horizontal roadway. So sa makatuwid, kung meron tayo ditong, ito yung ating 8 meters from the center of the elliptical arch. Ang tinatanong sa atin yung height dito. Ito ang tinatanong. Ito yung height. Tinatanong sa atin. Okay. Paano natin masosolve yun? First, we have to determine the equation of the ellipse based from this situation. Okay? Sabihin natin yung point dito ng ating ellipse. The horizontal distance is x, 8 meters, and the vertical distance is y. So dito, ang vertical distance niya ay y. Okay? So therefore, ang ordered pair of that point is 80, y. So therefore, ang height ng ating tinatanong sa ating height, no, nung arch, 8 meters from the center, is just the sum of 2 meters and 7 meters minus y. Okay? Kasi this is 2 plus 7 is 9. So 9 minus y, that will be the height of this roadway. This will be the height of the roadway from the elliptical arch. So therefore, the height can be computed using this relation. So height equals 2 plus 7 minus y. Okay? So that will be the height of, or the distance of the roadway from the elliptical arch 80 meters from, or 8 meters from the center. Okay, so yun ang kailangan natin ma-solve. So kunin muna natin yung equation of this ellipse. Okay? Okay, how are we going to solve the equation of the ellipse? Papansin natin, yung ellipse natin is horizontal. Semi-elliptical lang. If we're going to continue sketching the ellipse, meron ditong other half. Ito yung ating axis of symmetry. Okay? And this will become now your major axis. Okay? Now, what is the value of the semi-major axis? Semi-major axis is measured from the center to one ends of the vertices. So therefore, ang ating 20 meters is our semi-major axis. And our 7 meters here is the length of the semi-minor axis. So therefore, the equation of the ellipse will be x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. And the value of a is 20. The value of b is, what I forgot, is 7. Therefore, the equation of the ellipse is x squared over 20 squared plus y squared over 7 squared equals 1. Therefore, the equation of the ellipse is x squared over 400 equals plus y squared over 49 equals 1. Okay. So, meron na tayong equation ng ellipse. What will be the next step? The next step is to solve the value of y if x equals 80. Mali pala ito. Then x equals 80 meters. When x equals 8 meters. We're going to solve the value of y, which is the distance of this point from the x-axis when x equals 8 meters. Okay. Substitute. Solving y if x equals 8. Okay. So therefore, we have if x is 8, that will be 8 squared over 400 plus y squared over 49 equals 1. Okay? Transpose natin yung 8 squared over 400 sa other side. So we have y squared over 49 equals 1 minus 64 over 400. Okay? Multiplying both sides by 49. Galing ko to. So if you multiply both sides by 49, the result is y squared equals 1. Wala to. It should be 1 minus, ulitin ko na yun. So transposing a squared over 400 to the other side, the result is y squared over 49, 1 minus 64 over 400. Then multiplying both sides by 49, the result is 1 minus 64 over 400 times 49. Then we get the square root. Using scientific calculator, 1 minus 64 over 400 times 49. So we have 41.16. Square root of that. The result is 6.42. So therefore, that is 6.42 meters. Simula saan yon? Dito yon. Pero tinatanong sa atin yung height na yon. Okay? So, ang height na tinutukoy dito, yung height ng roadway, 8 meters from the center of the elliptical arch. So, ang height natin is 2 plus 7 minus y. So, therefore, the height is 2 plus 7 minus 6.42. So, for the height is 9 minus, so that will be 3.42. 2 plus 7 minus 6.42 2.58. Okay, answer is 2.58 meters. Sino sa 2.58 meters? Again, yun yung height ng roadway 8 meters from the center of the elliptical bridge. Simula dito. Okay? So that will be the solution for example number 1. So that will be the solution for example number 1. Thank you.